making quesadillas, and what I did is I put triple cream cheese on the quesadilla. I just added some mozzarella right here. Put that on there. So now what I'm going to do is add some shredded cheese in there. I like a lot of cheese. So fold it over here. Take a little butter right there. Take a little. The griddle is already buttered because I've already made like a couple of these. And here we go. And this is some of the other stuff that we're making. Christmas morning, nothing else to do. We're gonna get some basil. And get a good one. Okay, so we're gonna add tomato, and we add spinach, and we're gonna add a little cilantro to the inside of this one, and then we're gonna just put cilantro and stuff on the others. Right there. We got a ham over here, honey baked. Some Christmas tamales. Anyway, that's it.